In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Confluence API. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google and you want to type in using the REST API. Now, once you do this, you want to scroll down until you find this website from Atlassian Developer, which says using the REST API. So click on that and then double check you're actually on this specific link over here. And then what you want to do is click on the right where it says call the REST API. And here it will say generate an API token. So simply click on this and it's going to open up id.atlassian.com, and you'll just basically have to sign into your account. They're going to send a verification code to your email. You're going to have to copy it and paste it in, and then you'll be able to sign in. Now here, as you can see, it says API tokens. You can just click on create API token. You have to give it a name, so tutorial is going to be for now, and then you can give it an expiration date over here. So as you can see, it says for security, tokens can last no longer than a year. Now, once you've done that, click on create over here. And then just by doing this, as you can see, you've successfully created yourself a API key. You can just copy it and paste it wherever you want. And of course, as you can say, it says you can recover the API key token after you're done with this step. You can't recover it. So of course, make sure you actually save it somewhere safe where you'll be able to find it for the next time. So after you've saved it, click on done, and then you're pretty much good and you can just start using it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.